Have you been hearing about the 88 Lionsgate portal and are curious about what that means for you? Well, in this video, I'm going to discuss what the Lionsgate portal is, its impact on our personal energy, how we can harness its energy for success, and tips on how to make the most of this powerful energetic portal. And so if you are new to me, to my channel, to any of my content in social media land, my name is kkatrice. I am the Natal Chart Navigator, and I'm an intuitive astrological energy reader. And I teach open-minded, ambitious, professional women how to read, understand, and utilize the information in their natal charts practically so that they can level up in every area of their lives, okay? And so jumping right into it, the Lionsgate portal is a powerful astrological event that occurs every year on August 8th, okay? Now, the Lion's Gate, the actual energy starts around July 28th. This year it started around July 28th, between 26th and 28th, and it ends on the 12th, okay, of August. However, the 8th is the most potent and concentrated of the energy because that is when the energy of the sun and the star Sirius align, okay, and it creates this portal of light and major opportunity, okay. And so the energy of the Lionsgate portal is said to be especially beneficial for those who are seeking to make positive changes in their lives, okay? And so it can help us to clear away any obstacles, to overcome challenges, and to achieve our goals. And it can also help us to connect with our higher power and tap into our inner wisdom. And so during the Lionsgate portal, you want to take advantage of this powerful energy in order to manifest what it is that you want to bring into your reality by focusing on your intentions for that, taking action, and having a belief in yourself and your abilities, okay? And so now this portal, okay, is a really, really potent portal, okay? And so you definitely do not want to miss out on harnessing the power of this Lionsgate portal, okay? And so in order to do that, you got to be open to change and new possibilities, okay? Now, this is taking place, it's in the sign of Leo, which is why it's called the Lionsgate portal, okay? And so now, Leo is a fixed energy along with Taurus, Scorpio, and Aquarius, okay? And we just had the Aquarius full moon on the 1st. And that full moon in Aquarius was all about stepping into who we are authentically, okay? And now for fixed energy, those energies can sometimes be very resistant to change, okay? But when it comes to this 8-8 portal, resistance to change is not what you want to have. You want to be open to be releasing any beliefs or resistance that you have around change, and just be open to the possibility of, okay? And so now this Lionsgate portal can affect individual energy levels and potential in a number of ways, okay? Now for some people, it may be a time of increased energy and creativity, okay? And so for others, it may be a time of deep spiritual insights or awakenings, okay? Now others may find that this portal helps them to overcome obstacles or to achieve any goals that they have set, okay? And so I'm going to go over a few ways in which this portal can affect your energy levels and potential, okay? And so increased energy levels. And so the energy of the Lionsgate portal can help you to feel more energized and motivated. Leo is fire energy. It's a very bold, fiery, childlike energy, okay, and it is ruled by the sun, okay, and so this is a great time to start new projects or take on any new challenges in any area of your life, okay. Increased creativity, okay, and so the energy of this portal can also help you to tap into your creativity. Now this can be a great time for you to be creative when it whether it's through art, through music, writing, recording videos, maybe taking your social media to the next level. Anything that allows you to express yourself creatively, use this energy to tap into that. Now this may also cause you to have deeper spiritual insights. This can be a great time for you to connect with your higher self and to learn more about your purpose in life, or to simply gain a deeper understanding of the universe at large, okay. It can also help when it comes to overcoming obstacles, because this can be a great time for you to break through any limiting beliefs that you may have, take risks, or simply push yourself to achieve your goals. Now when I say push yourself, I mean doing this in a healthy way, not in a way where you're getting burnt out, and you're not being kind or gentle to yourself, okay. And then lastly, it can help you when it comes to achieving your goals. This can be a time for you to set new goals, make a plan, and then take action steps towards realizing that goal, okay. Now, everyone will not experience this portal in the same way, okay? Some people may not feel any difference at all, okay? And while others may experience a profound shift in their energy levels and potential. Now, if you are open to it, okay, and I think that's the difference between those who experience nothing and those who experience something, okay? If you're open to it, then this portal can be a powerful time for spiritual growth, personal development, and transformation, okay? And so now what you want to do is you want to, hold on, no, okay, sorry. I had to cut my sound off on my phone. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to look in your chart, okay, look in your natal chart, and you want to see where you have, what house you have Leo energy on, because that is the house where this portal will have the most effect in your life, okay. So if it's in the first house, okay, then it's going to have more of an effect on who you are, okay, because the first house is the house of self, okay. And so first house is the house of self, okay. And so if you have not if you are wanting to make changes within yourself, okay, then you definitely want to use this time to make those changes, set a plan. What is it that you want to see in your life? You want better health, you want better change your appearance. What is it that you want to see to make yourself better? That is where this energy will be taking place. Conversely, if say you have Leo on the 10th house, then on the 10th house, you will see where there will be potential for your career to grow, okay? And so some practical tips that you can take in order to navigate this, okay? So there's many ways to prepare for the Lionsgate portal. Some people meditate, some people pray or do other spiritual practices to align themselves with the energy of the portal. Some people set intentions for what they want to manifest, and some people just be, okay? There's really no one thing or that you should do. except for be open to possibilities. Okay. And so you can meditate on the energy of the portal. Okay. And so this portal, it's in the sign of Leo. Leo energy is a bold energy. It's a very confident energy. And so you can, maybe doing some meditations on your solar plexus, because your solar plexus chakra is the chakra that deals with your self-confidence, and it deals with your drive. And so you can do some meditation on that. If you have any issues with your confidence and your drive, you can also do some chakra, listen to some chakra meditations, eat more yellow foods, and that will help to build up and strengthen that solar plexus chakra. Okay. But you want to, if you want to meditate on the energy, you can do so by sitting in a very quiet place and just focusing on your breath. And as you breathe in and out, visualize the energy of the portal flowing into you. And as you breathe out, visualize the energy of the portal flowing out of you and into the world. Okay? Now, you can set some intentions for your life, for your goals. What do you want to achieve? What changes do you want to make? Take a few moments. It doesn't have to be long, 15, 20 minutes, however long it takes you, to write down your intentions and then visualize those intentions coming into fruition. Okay. Now you can perform specific rituals. There's many different rituals that can be performed during the portal. Some people like to create altars, others like to do fire ceremonies, and then others just simply like to spend time in nature. Find something that feels right for you and then do it with intention. There's numerous rituals that you can find on the internet. Just Google Lionsgate portal rituals, and I'm sure you'll get pages and pages of Google results, okay, for that. Now, if you are into crystals and essential oils, there's many different crystals and essential oils that you can use that can amplify the energy of the Lionsgate portal. Some popular choices include citrine, amber, rose quartz, lavender, and frankincense. And so you can use some of those oils and crystals to help you tap into the energy better. Now, connecting with the energy of the Lionsgate portal can be a powerful and transformative experience. Okay, and so if you are open to it, use this time to help you clear away old patterns, create new beginnings, and step into your full potential. And it's so beautiful that this it happens right after this Aquarius full moon, which was prompting us to step into our authentic selves, to be our authentic selves. Okay. And so some additional tips for harnessing the power of the Lionsgate portal is to be present and aware. Okay. The more present you are with your now, the more you will be able to experience the energy of the portal. Okay, so you don't want to be thinking about the bills that you owe. You don't want to be thinking about the hurt you've experienced. You don't want to be thinking about anything negative, because what you're doing is that's the energy, because that's where your focus and intention is. And so that's the energy that you are putting into with this, that you are mixing with this portal. And so by doing so, you're going to bring more of what you don't want into your new. And so you want to leave all of that where it be and just focus on the now. What would you like to see in your life right now? If you could wave a magic wand and see it right now in front of your eyes in the 3D, what do you want? And that is what you want to focus on, okay? Let go of any expectations, Okay? Don't expect anything specific to happen during the Lionsgate portal. Okay? You want to just expect good. Okay? Because you put your intention out that you want. And when I set my intentions, I always say this or something better. Okay? Because a lot of times I get better than what I even can think or imagine, right? And so I expect to receive this or something better. However, I'm not fixated on getting just that, okay? And so when you say this or something better, you're opening yourself up to possibility, okay? So just allow yourself to be open to whatever comes your way, okay? And then have fun, okay? Don't make it so serious. I know when you watch all these videos on YouTube and they just make it like it's just, you know, just so serious and you got to do this, or else you won't get that. And, you know, have fun, okay? This is a time for you to celebrate your connection to the divine, okay? And so you want to relax, you want to enjoy yourself, and you just want to let the magic happen, okay? And so it was my intention that you found major value in this Lionsgate video. And if you did, please do give it a thumbs up so that others may find value in it as well. Also, what are you manifesting? What are you looking to manifest, to bring into your reality within the next, year? Okay, let me know in the comments, what are you looking to manifest? And if you know where Leo is in your chart, what house, what area of life will this portal be opening up in for you? Okay, let me know in the comments. All right. And so if you want to, now if you have no idea where this energy is going to be taking place in your chart, and you want to get more in depth on how you can learn how to read and apply the information in your natal chart to your life, then you want to grab my free framework, 3 steps to become energetically synced with your natal chart. Okay, these are the 3 steps that I used and currently use in order to read, analyze, and utilize the information in my natal chart, and also when I do readings for others. And so you definitely want to grab this free resource. You can go to my link tree. It will be in the description, and I also put it in the comments of this video. And if you would like to book a reading with me, you can go to my link tree as well to book a reading, okay? And so leave you with this ending thought. Remember, possibilities are endless. If you can see it in your mind, then you can definitely hold it in your hand, and that should make you smile, because you really do create your own reality. Have a good one.